Sophia. Come on, Sophie. Come on, Sophie. Come on. Sorry, Chico. I'm sorry, Chico. I'm sorry. I'll let you be in peace. Hey, Bimbo. Bimbo. Come here, Bimbo. Bimbo. Hey, shh. Bimbo. Where are you going? Come on. Come here, Sophie. You see this? Sophie, you see this? I'm gonna need you to go grab it, okay? Fetch.
You can't read him.
Yeah, good girl. Where are you? Oh, it's okay, buddy. Be careful, Bubba's this poop. Come here, Chico. Come here, my kitty. Hey, guys, be good girl and boy. Let me check if he's done washing. And it's finished. Okay. Go Aggies! Piddles. Oh. Hi, Chico. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Sophie. Which one should I use? Ah, Sophie. Ow, Sophia. Dun, dun, dun. I wish y'all were here. This TV's so big. Oh, dang it. Batteries ran out. Try next time. That's me, right there, that's me. Those were mine, that was mine, and I gave it to my grandma. And I'm not going to show you that because it's a sad story. Oh, okay. Turn this. Here we go. Manda. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go from white to yellow to red to green to dark blue. No, that's to neon green. That's to purple. That's to dark blue. That's to brown. That's to red and black belt.
This is my Tia.
That's Matthias.
That's Tia.
Alright guys, let's get out of here. My face, it's so fat. Oh, there we are. Alright, Bubby, come here. La na 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 na. I miss you. Miss you so much, Cosita. I miss you. Why'd you have to die on me, girl? Why? Oh yeah, the wall.
That's me.
The wall of fame.
That's me.
See, I told you my Thea can draw a realistical turtle and a realistical fish and another realistical fish right there. And I don't know what this is, but it's really cool, and it's not just something she bought. It's a picture she drew. Paper, real paper. That's Thea. Thea printed that out. That's me when I was a baby.
Yeah, that's you. That's Mia.
That's family portrait, and that's my Thea.
Yeah, that's your dear. Her little.
All right, come on, guys. Let's get out of here.
Yeah. No, back up.
Yeah, you rock, God. Wow! These are all the crosses I collected so far. So good. All the crosses I have collected. And that's going to be the end of the video. 1, 2, and I don't know where little boy number 3 went.